Introducing InstaCuppa Multipurpose Electric Kettle cum Cooker with glass lid to withstand high cooking temperatures. It includes steamer, idli maker tray, egg boiler tray, wooden spatula and cleaning sponge. In lightweight and stainless steel interior designed to cook your food faster. Comes with detachable power cord for convenience. And 2 temperature settings for different food types. Single button operation makes it very easy to use. Steam your favorite momos in few minutes with the press of a button. While keeping a cool to touch exterior for safety. What about steaming idlis for friends and family, or hard-boiled and steamed eggs? Make soup for your entire family in one go with its 1.2-litre capacity. Or simply boil broth fast and easy. You can even boil milk in no time. Go beyond the ordinary with InstaCuppa Multipurpose Electric Kettle cum Cooker.